To obtain a cash advance from a PayPal credit account, it is not possible to send money directly to oneself using the PayPal Cash Advance feature. However, an alternative method is to send money from the PayPal credit account to a trusted friend or family member. To do this, log into the PayPal account, click on the Send Money option, and enter the recipient's email address. Next, enter the desired transfer amount and select PayPal Credit as the payment method. Then click Send. Note that a transaction fee applies to this process. Once the recipient receives the money in their PayPal account, they can transfer it back to the original sender. After the money is safely in the PayPal balance, it can be moved to a linked bank account or debit card. To do this, log into the PayPal account, select the Transfer to Bank option, and PayPal will transfer the money to the bank account, which may take 2 to 3 business days. This process allows for a cash advance from PayPal Credit, albeit with some extra steps.